Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will show you how to create an anime animation video using totally free AI tools. This video will be divided into 3 parts. In part 1, we will create a video script using GPT and Google Bard. In part 2, we will create an audio file using free text to teach AI. Finally, in the last part, we will create the animation and mix everything together. To create our video script, we can use GPT, Google Bard, or Nolan AI. However, in this tutorial, we will only try GPT and Bard AI. To create our video script, simply describe the kind of video you want, its topic, target age, number of words, or any other details you'd like to add. Now, let's try using the same prompt with Google Bard AI. Select the best script that matches your needs. You can find all the links for this tutorial in the video description. Part 2, create audio using AI. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can use this free text to speech AI. To use this AI tool, you need to register using your email or Gmail account. After completing the registration process, go to your AI Tools dashboard and select the AI Text Dubbing menu. Paste your AI-generated script from part 1. Select the character tone and click the audition button to listen to your voice selection.
Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what that bright?
Once everything is okay, click the confirm button and download your AI voice. Part 3, create animation using Adobe. Now, go to the animation for YouTube page. To use this free animation tool, you will need an Adobe account. To start creating the animation, click the Make Animations for YouTube button. Select your character. In this video, I will use an anime girl character. After that, choose a background, or if you prefer, you can upload your own image or background. Now, select your target platform and video orientation. For the audio, you can either record your own voice directly. Make sure to give Adobe website access to your microphone or use our AI-generated voice from part 2. Click Choose an audio file to upload your audio. Once Adobe finishes processing our animation video, click the Download button to get our anime video. Here is the video result.
Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what that bright, trailing object is? Well, chances are you've seen a comet. Today, we'll take a closer look at these fascinating celestial bodies in this YouTube short.
Thank you for watching this AI animation tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Bye!